Fantasy Philosophers is brought to you by fantasy-info.com.
Joseph Addai seemed surprised when the team went out and took Donald Brown in the first round of the draft last season. While he was surprised, I don't think anybody else was surprised, as Addai has always had problems with health, and he just wasn't that productive of a player in 2008. So Donald, getting him the things that he can do, he's kind of a shifty back. He can do some good things overall for this team. But in his rookie season, he really just wasn't ready to make a full contribution, as there were some times maybe he had some missed blocks for Peyton Manning, and he just needed to mature more. He had an injury there that cost him some time, and Addai was more polished of a player. He still wasn't all that productive. I think he didn't have over a 4-yard per carry average or anything like that. He was a good option at the goal line. For Brown, I really think it's all about, he's going to see more work this season. I think he's going to be a much more polished player for the NFL this season, but he's going to have to wait until next season to really be a strong fantasy option, unless, again, Addai suffers an injury, as he can do in his career. He's proven that. If he did, then Brown would be a guy that would make a nice flex play option. Even though the Colts are a pass-heavy team, they will still use Brown underneath in the passing game. They like to do that with their running backs. That gives him added value, especially in a PPR league where you're picking up those extra points per catch. So with a guy like Brown, he's going to have to wait till an injury befalls a guy like Addai, because he's still going to be entrenched as the touchdown man. He's still going to be the starter on this team. But next year, it looks like the team will not retain Joseph Addai's services. He's in the final year of his contract. It only makes sense because the money they would probably have to pay him, because he's had some production, it's really not worth it. And Donald, by next year, should be big and strong enough to take on that starting role and be the guy for them from week 1 on.
For more fantasy football information, go to fantasy-info.com and sign up for our free e-newsletter. Good luck in your 2010 Fantasy Football League. As an added bonus, the Fantasy Info guys will include their 5 secret tips for success in fantasy